to survive, I'll be honest. Your love ain't it totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your kwabi. Your body they back at me.